Lu Woodworking is one of the local companies helping to bring Secrets Saint Lucia Resort and Spa to life. The SLHT visited their Vieux Fort office to learn about how this proficient manufacturer has stepped up to the plate in this highly anticipated development and the vast ripple effects tourism has on the local economy. Ashley, thank you for joining me.
Thank you very much for having me, sir.
So tell me a little bit about your company.
Okay, so we are Saint Lu Woodworking. You've probably heard of Exquisite Kitchens, which is one of our brands under the company title. We are a local manufacturer of cabinetry and furniture, mostly dealing with kitchens, closets, vanities, anything that you can think of cabinetry-wise that would go in any residential or commercial spot.
And tell me about your relationship with Secrets.
We were brought on board on the Secrets Saint Lucia project as a local supplier that would be doing furniture pieces, specialized furniture pieces in all 350 rooms. We are looking at, for example, bathroom vanities, coffee stations. There is it's kind of like a secret, but it's called a secret box. That's not going in all the rooms. But anyone who would be privy to stay at the resort, and I really recommend that you do, would see those furniture pieces. We were very proud as a local supplier to come on board and actually partner with other local suppliers, very talented local suppliers. And it has been an amazing experience to actually be part of this endeavor. And being part of this and actually getting the opportunity has given us so many different avenues for growth, actually giving back to the community in a way where we've had to hire a lot of local and individuals within the community in terms of carpentry, install teams, finishers, and your local Joes, just as to help out with actually completing this project.
About how many people did you have to bring on?
We've almost quadrupled our staff. That quadrupled figure would include production staff here at the factory, the majority of it. Some of the individuals here that are able to be part of the install teams were actually given the opportunity to install on site, which brings in a little extra revenue, extra cash in their pockets. And we've also had to hire individuals, especially based up in the north, which is where the hotel is located, as subcontractors to help with the installation and delivery aspect. We've actually had to get guys from our community and our location in Vieux Fort that help with even just the delivery of the product on site, hiring local truck drivers, guys just to get stuff from the factory to the site. It truly has been amazing, how many people we've had to bring on board to help with that.
What does it mean to your company to be involved in such a project of that magnitude?
And if I had to say one word, I would say proud. We were very, very, I would even say, grateful, proud to have been chosen to deliver those furniture pieces. It meant a whole lot to us, knowing that with the revenue that we're going to be taking in, that we can invest in advanced machinery, training programs for our guys, give back to the community in a way that we were not able to before.
350 rooms, wow. So that means
yes,
your company has the capacity to handle those type of jobs.
Yes, definitely. I think with the machinery that the owners here have invested in, and I think being able to say that we were actually thought of and chosen for a project of that capacity, one of the biggest hotels in Saint Lucia right now, I would say that it's definitely something worth worth mentioning and saying that we believe in ourselves that we can actually do it. The fact that the company who is building this hotel, Hyatt, could say that, hey, we are giving this project to a local manufacturer and they trust in our standards. They trust that we would be able to deliver a quality product worth viewing from, you know, an international perspective. You have people from all over the world who will be visiting this hotel. The fact that you could say that a company like that has trusted us,
a local company.
That's right, to deliver products of that grade. You know, it's nothing short of unbelievable for us. You know.
My name is Randall McFarlane. I'm from Latuni, Vieux Fort. I started working at Saint Lu Woodworking from a friend of mine who told me they was doing contracts for Secrets Resort. I was just home, stagnant, nothing to do. Then I said I'll just take a shot and come in and work here. The experience here has been good. The workers treat you like family. I work in cutting out raw materials to make the drawing out for the vanities. Yeah, we work with professionals. They teach you how to cut it the right way, the safe way. Yeah, I've learned to use a lot of tools, learn how to spray, learn how to do a lot of things I didn't know I would have be capable of doing. Yeah.
My name is Eskin Samuel. I'm from Vieux Fort-based, and I've been working at Saint Lu for the past 6 years. I was brought on board the Secrets project to install the vanities and the coffee stations, and it has been a very good experience. Working on site at the Secrets project has actually helped me take care of my family. Working on such a big project also has given me more insight, you know, to be a better worker, etc. I also would like to say thank you, Secrets, for choosing Saint Lu Woodworking as a local company, for giving us such an opportunity.